What's good, Wealth Builders? You ever realize that you're not always the main character out here in these in this world? Like, you're not always the main character in the story, and that's okay. I think a lot of people that are high achievers and make a lot of money, and you know what I'm saying, maybe managers at their job, or you know what I'm saying, or you know what I'm saying, the breadwinners in their home, or you know what I'm saying, just whatever, like top employees, like top of the food chain type of people, would move further along in their life, or might have gotten where they are in their life because they realized that they don't always have to be the main character to succeed. If that makes sense. Like, sometimes you don't have to be the main one, right? You can be a supporting character, right? Actor. You can be the background singer. You know what I'm saying? You can be the dude in the crowd just chilling, right? All these quote unquote titles, you can be these folks and still have success, and it might come faster. Hear me out. Because sometimes the main character flaws. Many times the main character fails. Sometimes, a lot of times, the main character needs supporting characters to come along with him, that's so he can make things work. And sometimes, a lot of times, you get thrown into things just because you're in the right place in the right time, and you weren't trying to be the main character. You were just trying to be the supporting cast. So let's break that down to like real life instead of using like these terminologies, right? So basically, sometimes at work, right, you might just be mad good at your job, and you're like the operations supervisor, right? You're just a supervisor now. You're not the manager. But you want to bump up, right? You want to bump up the manager. And you know, you've been playing a real good supporting cast. You've been being Robin. You're not trying to be Batman. You don't want to be, you know what I'm saying, the main character. You just been being Robin for now. And then, you know what I'm saying, you're doing such a great job at being Robin. Your manager looks at you and say, hey, well, I just got a promotion. I'm moving up to senior manager or director or general manager or something like that. And I'm gonna pull you along, and I want you to be my ops manager now, instead of being just a supervisor. So now you just got to bump a raise, maybe 10 to 20 grand raise, and all you had to do was be a good Robin. To be a good Robin, or not being, you're just a supporting cast member. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe you in a situation at school, at school, and you know what I'm saying, the main character is the football, you know what I'm saying, dude, right? He plays quarterback, and you play on a football team, but you know what I'm saying, you're not like a superstar or nothing like that, but all the girls love Chuck, named Charles, right? They love Chuck, and you hang out with Chuck a lot, you know what I'm saying? As, you know, supporting cast member, you always just like, you know, chilling with Chuck. And you like to hang out with him. He's a cool dude, right? You're not there just for whatever, you're not there only because other people are around him. You actually like hanging out with the guy. And you end up meeting the love of your life because you hung out with Chuck, and y'all used to always go to all the parties with all the cute girls, and you end up meeting a beautiful young lady because you were in the background. You were playing the background with Chuck, hanging out, y'all cooling, and you know what I'm saying, you were part of the in crowd a little bit, and she would say to herself, well, shoot, I like homie over there, he hang out with such and such all the time, they mad cool, and y'all get to know each other, and next thing you know, now you got your girlfriend, and now that's your love of your life. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't always have to be the main character to win, you know what I'm saying? You just got to learn how to be a supporting cast member. Learn how to be supportive. Learn how to be a team player. Learn how to be, you know what I'm saying, around the right people also, right? Because it can be destructive being around the wrong people, trying to play supporting cast member, and you're around the wrong people and get caught up in some wrong shit. You know what I'm saying? So it works either way, good and bad. You know what I mean? But anyhow, it's the man, it's the myth, the Wealthbuilder himself. Check out the wealthbuilderz.com. Click the link in the description. Until next time. Peace.